Yep, this is where we come to eat Pelletier fish boil. This is a restaurant.
They're going to be in there for a full 30 minutes. Next, they'll add in those Texas sweet boiling onions. Those take about 20. Then I'll bring out your fish and your corn. Fish takes 10 minutes and corn only takes 5. And I got 35 gallons of water and over 10 pounds of salt in that can.
10 pounds of salt. 10 pounds of salt. That's a lot.
And then those slabs of wood that I have around the outside, those are keeping the heat in. So when you see me move those around, that's so we control and regulate the boil.
So this is how it works. You go inside the restaurant and you pay for your food first. So basically everyone get the same thing. On the plate you get 2 red potatoes, 1 Texas sweet onions, and white fish. If you want, they're gonna ask you want 1 piece or 2 pieces. If you want 2 pieces, that's what we did. We then we have to pay extra and then half a corn. And then gonna give you a ticket, and then you have and then you can go outside right there where everyone sit down. They have chairs for you to sit down, and then you watch how they cook your food in that pot right there. The pot is a 35-gallon water. The pots can hold 35 gallons of water, and they use woods to boil the pot, the big pot. And this is the step right here. They put the red potatoes in first. They cook that for 30 minutes, and after that they put then they put in the Texas sweet onions, and then for 20 minutes, and after that the white fish is gonna go in there for 10 minutes, and after that they put in the corns for 5 minutes, and after that is done, and they put out the fire, and then you have to find you can have an option of sitting inside or outside. They have chairs. They have a table and chairs for you to sit either outside or inside. So we decided to sit outside, and they come in to collect your tickets, and then they bring you food, and the soda and a piece of cherry pie is also included in the meal. And so for us, for 4 people, it came to around $102, including taxes. And so this comes around to $25 a person, which not a bad thing for this kind of one of a lifetime experience. This is the first time that we ever did fish boil. So if you're interested, this is located in Fish Creek, Wisconsin, up north. So
I'm not sure what time yet. I'm loading in the morning yet.
so you can see better.
Huh? What can I see better?
What are you doing? You put out the fire or what?
Watch it.
Boil over!
Oh, smoke is hot.
Good job.
Oh.
Enjoy your fish boil.
All right.
Ngọt anh ơi sao ta ăn.
There you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, do we need anything else right away?
Can we get
A
some
refill?
Yes.
Yeah, what was it? I'll get you
What
another
did it
one.
take me?
It's root beer.
Root beer? Anybody else?
Can I take another Pepsi please?
Another Pepsi? Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, enjoy.
Thank you.
ឆ្លាតយកដូចគ្នាអើយមានទាំងស្បែកទៀតអញអានេះវាយបែបមែន
No, white fish.
Oh. It's all the same.
So we got coleslaw, potato, onion, white fish, corn, and lemon.
You want my onions? Say you want my onion? អត់មានដាក់អំបិលអីឲ្យថែមទេណាបានហើយណា professional គេ eat គេច្បាស់
Looks good, right? I'm curious.
ចំណាសៀវបែបបប Oh.
What do you reckon? See how does it taste here? The white
កន្លែងនេះ
fish.
ហៅអីគេ
Fish boil place. Yeah, fish boil. Right here. White fish.
នេះវាយកទឹកត្រីញ៉ាំតែមកកូនត្រី
White fish is good. Tastes really good though. Very tasty.
coleslaw onion
Potato. I like a potato.
good
This onion is fire.
good
I never eat this. Let's see how the onion tastes.
you want my onion today
Yeah, I eat it. Give it a bite. I'll eat it.
right got one already from Linda
Oh, you ate it on? Oh, yeah.
have a bone in my mouth and
Cornfish sweet. The fish is really good though.
Glenn want my potato
That's a white fish. Tastes really good.
you want bala give me bala no oh cái này cái đã bà đây đây
Salt. Pepper.
ចេញខាងយកខនជុំបែបពោតណាកូនក៏មកមានបានទូជាងគេដែរ
The what? The which one?
ចេះឲ្យយកខនញ៉ាំមកញ៉ាំមក fish អូយត្រីនេះsẽឆ្អឹងអាមេរិកខាងវាស៊ីកើតដែរអញ
No, it's got big bone. There's not small bone, big bone.
not bad បើដឹងអញ្ចឹងយកទឹកត្រីមកត្រូវហ្មងណាទឹកត្រីញ៉ាំទេnot bad វានេះឆ្ងាញ់ Bộ rồi chỗ Dạ cho ăn văng
Oh, big bone. Lay it open.
Figured it out.
Em bận đi nè.
So the meal include they include well, the drink is included in the meal, and then also the cherry pie. So you got the cherry pie and the drink included in the meal, right? So how's it taste like?
Pretty good.
Good. How's the cherry pie taste?
Tastes good here. You okay?
Pass is on. No, I got it. Okay, that's it.